Art workshops on cruises. A creative journey to unique works of art. Imagine relaxing on a cruise, enjoying the vastness of the sea and at the same time developing new creative skills in an art workshop. At the same time, you benefit from investing in an innovative business model that combines culture and creativity with economic success, an opportunity for you and your family to combine artistic passion and financial return. The concept: art and business in harmony. The new company Studio S brings an innovative idea to the world of cruises. Art workshops on board ships. The business model is focused on added value by offering art lovers unforgettable experiences and opening up attractive return opportunities for investors. Unique art projects and experiences. Studio S's art workshops stand out with creative and exclusive content. Art projects. Relief paintings made of natural moss and underwater coral models with innovative lighting. VIP service. Exclusive presentations and special events in hotels and ports offer additional highlights. Growing demand for creative travel offers. Over 30 million people worldwide take a cruise every year, and the demand for creative and educational offers is constantly increasing. Studio S is aimed at art lovers aged 25 to 65 with medium to upper income who are looking for inspiring experiences. Studio S's competitive advantages. The company relies on clear strengths to differentiate itself from other offers. Quality. High-quality workshops conducted by experienced experts. Partnerships. Direct cooperation with cruise lines to ensure a seamless experience for customers. Attractive investment opportunities. Studio S offers investors the opportunity to become part of a future-oriented business model. The company's income is based on 3 pillars. Workshop fees. Average of $100 to $150 per participant. Sales of art products, including artwork, tools and materials. Additional collaborations. Fixed fees or profit sharing through contracts with cruise lines. Investors not only benefit financially, but also promote culture and creativity. A business model with added value. The goal of Studio S is clear: to combine art, creativity and business to create a unique experience. In addition to holding the workshops, the company plans to expand its offering to other tourism formats such as resorts and hotels in order to ensure long-term growth and profitability. Let's rediscover art and the sea together. Studio S invites you to become part of this creative journey, whether as a participant, investor or supporter.